Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a makeup tutorial for you. I have been really lazy with my makeup lately. I've been doing a lot of very simple, like 5-minute makeup looks on my channel. My makeup looks will always be minimal, as you all know, but I haven't used a lot of my makeup in a long time, and I thought, okay, stop being lazy. I've got all this makeup sitting there and I should play around with it. I love rediscovering makeup I haven't used in a while. It sort of gets you out of your makeup rut and makes you utilize what you've got. So I bundled together a heap of Nude by Nature products that I already have, and I also got their BB Sheer Glow BB cream. This has an SPF 8 in it, I think. And the reason why I wanted to try this was, well, one, I don't have a Nude by Nature foundation at the moment, but also I am trialing some tinted like sunscreen or face sunscreens, moisturizers that contain SPF. I want to do a little bit of a haul or a bulk review on at least a handful that I've tried. So I thought that I would kill two birds with one stone and decided to get this. But I'm going to do something different today. I'm actually not starting out with this. I'm going to start with some bronzer and highlighter. So I have the Nude by Nature what is this called? These are just their highlight sticks. They have a few different shades. This is bronze, and I also have the highlighter in champagne, and I like this one because it's got warmer undertones, which suits my skin tone better. So I'm starting out with the bronzer, and I'm going to go in with a mini beauty blender and just put a little bit of product on there. And I'm just going to warm up my cheeks with this. And I am going to put a little bit on the apples. I don't need this to be too neat because I'm actually putting the BB cream over the top. I didn't want this to look too full on, which is why I'm putting it underneath the base. I love these mini beauty blenders. I think I actually don't have a big one at the moment. I think I just went, ugh, it's gross, and I threw it out. Obviously, you can also go straight in to your face using this, but I don't know, it's always risky, you know, you can put too much on there. Yeah, I might actually, I'll put some on the apples of my cheeks and blend that out, but I think it's, well, yeah, see, that looks so bad. Okay, now I'm going in with the highlight stick in champagne, and I'm just going to use my fingers to apply this because I just find it's the easiest way for me and it blends in really nicely. I don't like putting it on my chin. If I get oily through the day, I think it just looks really bad. Going in with the BB cream now. This is in the colour 3, which is Nude Beige. And I'm going in with my Real Techniques brush. I'm just patting this in because I don't want to move the product around on my face that I've already applied. The coverage isn't amazing, but if you wanted to wear this under makeup, it might be okay. I'm actually going to go in with my beauty blender and go over the areas on my cheeks, just so that I don't move anything around too much. Don't forget to do your ears. Whoa, I look like a shiny disco ball. It's all good. We're going to conceal and powder. So, okay, now I'm going in with the Flawless Concealer Stick in Rose Beige. Just putting that under the eyes. I've got a couple of spots and some pigmentation up here. Just going to start out using my finger under the eye. It's my favorite way to blend under eye concealer. It just pushes everything in. I'm taking my Airy Perez lip and concealer brush and I'm using that to blend out spots. Thank you, hormones. It is time to get rid of some of this shine with the Mineral Finishing Veil. I love this powder because it's got a little bit of a peachy undertone, so it's great for under the eyes. And it is huge. The packaging is quite big. Oh, that's better. It's nothing worse than a shiny under eye. Get rid of some of this oil on the T-zone. And then just a little bit around my smile lines here. I find I get quite oily, like next to the nose here. Now moving on to the eyes, and I'm actually putting on eyeshadow today. Can you believe it? So I'm going in with this Nude by Nature, I think it's the Natural Wonders eye palette. And I'm taking this brown shade here. And I've got the Airy Perez line and blending brush. And I'm just blending that through my crease and also just a little bit onto the lid. I'm just going to keep building that up until I'm happy with the colour through the crease. Now that I'm happy with the top part of my lid, I'm taking a thinner fluffy brush, going back in with that same shadow and just connecting it under the eye to the outer corner. If you aren't quite happy with how your eyeshadow shape is going, you can take a small flat fluffy brush and some setting powder and you can kind of just tidy up the edges a little bit. Okay, I'm going back in with the Natural Wonders eye palette and I'm taking this shimmery shade here and I'm just using a teeny tiny brush because I want to be quite select. Putting this on the inner tear duct. The eyes are almost done. I'm a little bit scared of this stuff because it's quite messy, but oh my god, it packs a punch. This is the loose mineral eyeshadow in Rose Sand and it kind of gets stuck in there, so when you take it out you just got to be careful that you don't, and because it's loose pigment it's a bit scary. Oh my god, it's going everywhere. And I think the safest thing is for me to actually use my finger to apply it. Check that out. Oh, I'm just going to put this on the center of my lid just to give it a pop. Oh my goodness. The pigment in this is incredible. Ay. I think I'm going to need to use this blending brush just to blend out the edges a little bit. Moving on to lashes, I'm taking the Nude by Nature Allure Defining Mascara in black. Giving my lashes a little boost first. It's been ages since I've worn mascara. This mascara is quite a thick formula, like it's quite intense. I was just talking to myself for about 5 minutes and realised I was not filming. Moving on to lips, I'm going in with the Nude by Nature Defining Lip Pencil in the colour Coral. This is it here. Sometimes it's nice to just wear a lip liner rather than a lipstick, and I find lip liner gives you a bit more of a matte finish and it stays on pretty well too. So this is my finished look for my simple summer glowing bronzy, add some more descriptive words, makeup tutorial using all Nude by Nature products. You can see, check out my thumb. I just got a bit of excess shimmering loose sands, whatever it is, shimmer on my thumb, and look at how shiny it is. So I'm just saying, if you're going to play with that stuff, just make sure you're really careful with where you open the bottle. That stuff is lethal. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed my tutorial today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more natural makeup tutorials. If you have any requests, please leave them down below. Otherwise, thank you all for your support, your comments, your likes, and just being really nice in general. I have the best subscribers in the world. I appreciate every one of you, and I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Bye bye.